Yo, what is goody, everybody? Happy freaking whatever day it is to you, whatever day you are watching this. Gonna pop open this 3D energy drink because I'm gonna need it today because your boy Goody Beats is gonna be doing some cooking. Yes, you heard me correctly. I used the C word, I know. Cooking and Goody Beats. Oh my gosh. If you do live in the Central Texas area, be on the lookout for a monsoon, a tornado, because it's definitely gonna rain today. So guys, I did talk about these 3D energy drinks a couple of videos ago. Whoa, radio needs to slow down. Before I get to talking, let's throw on these sunglasses to block the haters. I know that gets really old. I didn't taste this one last time. This one definitely hits you like immediately. The minute you drink it and swallow, like boom, it hits you. It's not as smooth as the blue one. I definitely prefer the blue one, but this one is really good as well. So another reason why I'm gonna need this energy drink is because I'm going to the grocery store right now. Gotta pick up a couple of things for today's refeed day. Yes, so today is a refeed day, guys. All right, let me put my seatbelt on before you guys kill me about that. So yeah, heading to the grocery store and just need to pick up a couple of things, and then we're gonna get back home, start to cooking, start this refeed day. And if you guys don't remember, we started a new lifting program, Isaiah and I, so pretty excited about that. Yesterday was our first session. Re-recorded everything, but the microphone messed up everything, so yeah, we're just gonna have to do it again today, but it's all good because today is leg day, so that should be brutal. It should be fun, so everybody just sit back, relax, and enjoy this workout footage coming on later and some meal prepping for this high carb refeed day. Alright guys, so we just got back from the grocery store. Let me show you what I got for this refeed day. I got some chicken breasts, boom, right here. We got some basmati rice. We also got some jasmine rice. I prefer jasmine, but I wanted to try this basmati just because, I don't know, I never had it, so I wanted to try it out. Also got some big sweet potatoes. Now I absolutely love these, but man, do they take forever to cook. Such a pain. Also got me a Powerade Zero just because, what the heck, at night I get really thirsty and I am never in the mood for water. I always need something like some type of drink, and we don't ever have anything. I'm like, I don't want to drink water. Why don't we have a Powerade Zero? So that's why I got this. Also got some Greek yogurt right here. This is a plain one. Macros are pretty good. Carbs are 8, 23 grams of protein, 7 grams of sugar. Now again, I have this on my refeed days. I wouldn't have it on my strict keto days. Also got some almond milk. I love this. This is when I make my protein shakes. Also got some egg whites and some blueberries. Now I'll tell you why I got the blueberries in one moment, because I'm missing something. Okay, here it is. Steel cut oats. Absolutely love this right here. Super easy to cook. Also, if you guys have been making like the really thick oatmeal, you know, the really thick cut, I'm telling you, try the steel cut, guys. Thank me later. If you're a big fan of grits, oh my gosh, right here. And then we also have some premium whey. Now, I have not eaten today, and it is already about to be 11:30, so I am very behind on my cooking, on my video, on my eating, so I need to hurry up and eat what I'm gonna go ahead and do for my first meal of the day. And again, guys, I have all my macros set up, so I'll show you that at the end. We're going to do a protein shake, so we'll do some protein right here, we'll use some almond milk, and then we will also use some blueberries, and then we will get 2 servings of oatmeal. That will be the first meal of the day, and then we're gonna cook the rest of the meals for the day, which we're gonna use this rice right here. We won't use all of it, but we'll use some of this rice. We're gonna cook these sweet potatoes, then we're gonna cook this chicken, and that's pretty much it, guys. That is a typical refeed day. Now remember, I tell you this all the time, guys, a refeed day is not a cheat day. Let me repeat, it is not a cheat day. No matter how much you want it to be, it is structured. There is a plan, there are set macros. Now you guys know that. I'll discuss that all later. First, we got to get this oven preheated because we got to cook these sweet potatoes. I'm telling you, these sweet potatoes right here, These are pretty big. They're probably gonna take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I know, kills me, right? So let's get these sweet potatoes ready and get this food prepping going. All right, guys, so meal number 1 is complete. Look at that oatmeal. Oh man. Now I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of crap for this because you guys always call me out, but hey, this is the way I make oatmeal, all right? So you make oatmeal the way you wanna do it, I'll do it the way I do it. I like to throw a little bit of this Walden Farms pancake syrup, just to give you, just give it a little flavor, just a little sweetness to it, you know what I mean? Like I don't like eating oatmeal by itself. It's so plain, so just boring. Also, like to throw in some ground cinnamon. Now, I know you guys won't have a problem with this, but a lot of people, they'll call me out and say, yo, don't use that Walden Farms, it's poison. Relax, guys, okay? Just relax. Everybody just needs to chill out, calm down. Don't be getting all personal about oatmeal, all right? So here we go. We got the oatmeal right here. Gonna mix it all up. Just like so. We also have our protein smoothie. Hey, you wanna know how you made a good smoothie is when it turns purple. And that comes from the blueberries. So cheers. So here we go, meal number 1 going down. Again, don't worry about the macros, guys. I'll break all the macros down at the end of the day. Oven is preheated. Gonna throw these sweet potatoes in here. Woo, it's hot, baby. Woo, hot, 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 hot. All right, wham, bam, thank you, man. Sweet potatoes are done. Gonna finish this food, then we'll season the chicken, and then we'll get the rice ready. Boom, all right, guys. So meal number 1 went down a little bit too easy, but that's okay, because we are far behind. Boom, 8 ounces, woo. All right, let's weigh out another one, here we go. Boom, 7 ounces right there. So I keep it pretty simple, guys, whenever I season things. You're not gonna see some like fancy sauces and like keeping it in a bag overnight. Now again, that probably is the best way to do it, but hey, I'm a rookie, all right? So we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna put some of this pink Himalayan salt, like so. Oh yeah. Could use a little bit of black pepper. Can never go wrong with black pepper. Boom. And then we're also gonna use this Oh My Spice sweet and sour. So it was funny, I was going through my pantry and I saw this. I'm like, when did I ever get this? But this must have been when a company sent this out to me. Guys, so many companies send me things and I don't ever show them or use them. I know I'm really bad at it, but I do appreciate it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So we got the sweet and savory. Now, if you wanna know the macros, it's 0 everything. There is no carbs, there's no sugar, no fats, no protein, so we are good to go. And if you want to follow them on Instagram, it's O_my_spice. So here we go. This looks pretty good, sounds pretty good, so hopefully it is pretty good. All right, guys, our chicken is complete. So we got this little cutting board. What I'm gonna do is just chop up this chicken in little pieces. Reason why I'm doing that is because we're gonna stick it into these Tupperwares. I don't know if you guys can see these. Boom, look at these awesome Tupperwares. Now, I know. Let me just answer the question before you guys start hammering me. You guys are gonna ask, like, yo, Goody, where did you get these Tupperwares? Like, I can't find these anywhere. I've gone to my local grocery store, I've gone to Walmart, I've gone to Target, cannot find them. And you'd be absolutely correct, because you can only get these on Amazon, guys. These Tupperwares are amazing. You get like a huge pack of these. I think you get like 20, and the price is actually really not that bad. So I'm gonna chop up this chicken, and then we're going to evenly distribute it. One thing, you don't have to worry about, oh, let me see, do I get enough ounces in this one, that one? It doesn't matter because I calculated all my macros for the day. So as long as I eat all the food, it doesn't matter if you have a little bit more chicken on this meal, a little bit less on this one, like the most on the last one. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you just want to make sure you eat all your food and all the macros will be the same. Do is open it up. Be very careful, guys, whenever you warm these up. This rice is really hot. Like, it's burning my hands right now. And there you go. We are almost complete with this food prep. So we got the chicken, we got the jasmine rice, just waiting on the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna check on them right now. Our food prep is all done. Here is our sweet potatoes. Now we're gonna chop these up and we're gonna scoop about 133 grams. So it's about a little more than 300 is what I calculated for the day. About 100 grams each in each Tupperware. Boom, there we go. We are all set, guys. So food prep is done for this refeed day. How simple is that? I mean, we keep it pretty basic, guys. You got the chicken, you got the rice, you got the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna eat this meal right now, and then I'm gonna save these two for later. So I'll probably eat this when I get back from the gym, and then I'll eat this last one tonight. One thing I want to talk about, so there's actually two things we need to talk about, guys. We just need to just get it out the way because it's a huge elephant in the room. So number one is, if you guys are watching this, yes, I'm talking to you. Yes, you always think I'm not talking to you, but I'm talking to you today. If you're watching this high carb refeed day, you know what that means. That means that you woke up this morning. So you know what that means, guys. You are winning. So all your stress, all your problems, all your food prep problems cannot faze you, cannot faze me, because you and I are already winning, fam. Now that we got that out the way, we got to talk about the other huge elephant in the room. And this is very embarrassing, but we just have to talk about it, guys. I know there is a big hole in the wall where the microwave should go, and I know you're saying like, yo, Goody, like, why is your microwave on the counter and not above the stove? So, long story short, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a maintenance guy, I'm not a handyman, and I'm not a cook, although I am trying to be a cook. But the other things, I'm just not. I just gotta accept it, and there's a couple of brackets, there's other things I gotta get. I've been trying to, but this is where I need your help, guys. I need you guys to hold me accountable. I need you guys to call me out every time I'm in my kitchen, every time I go Instagram live, anytime I take a picture on Snapchat, anything. I need you to call me out and be like, yo, show me that microwave. Is that microwave on that wall? I need you guys to call me out, hold me accountable, because yes, my wife is just like, when are you gonna get that microwave on there? I'm like, I need this, I need that. And I'm just kind of like kicking the can down the road because I don't want to deal with it. I'd rather watch YouTube. I'd rather make YouTube videos. I'd rather make food prepping videos than get that stupid thing in that damn hole. Like, ugh, drives me crazy. But I need your help. Hold me accountable, guys. So here we go. Total macros for everything comes out to a total of 173 grams of protein. So I went a little bit over, but that's okay. 342 grams of carbs, which is just about right. I keep it around 300 to 350. 24 grams of fiber and 30 grams of fat, which is perfect. Now you guys know when I do these refeed days, it's pretty much backwards. We keep the fat as low as possible, which is no more than 30. We keep the carbs high and we keep the protein moderate. So I like to keep it at 150. Went over a little bit, but hey, it's okay. We are bulking. We are trying to get stronger. I'm a big believer in if you're trying to get stronger on keto, you need to up that protein. I know a lot of people get scared of protein, like, oh, it's gonna knock me out of ketosis. Well, what are your goals? Are your goals to lose weight or are your goals to get strong? You know, pick one and then go that route. So I hope you guys did enjoy this food prepping video on this refeed day, but this is pretty much what I eat. I keep it simple, guys. I keep it basic. I don't go crazy. I'm not eating cereal. I'm not eating candy bars. I'm not eating Sour Patch Kids. I'm just keeping it pretty simple. Sweet potato, jasmine rice, chicken, boom. I'm gonna eat this food. The next half of this video, guys, is gonna be the gym session. So we just started this new program, Isaiah and I. We did our first session yesterday. It was amazing. It was a chest day. I recorded everything, but the audio just completely crashed on me. So that's why I'm recording again today. I hope you guys did enjoy this food prepping video. If you liked it, please leave some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you recommend anything I should be eating, please let me know in the comments. I love you guys. We'll see you in the gym.